Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to pin comments on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. Instagram has started rolling out pinned comments feature, which allows users to pin up to 3 comments. When you pin an Instagram comment, it stays at the top of the comment section of your post. Instagram added the pin feature as a part of its efforts to prevent cyberbullying by allowing users to highlight positive feedback. Now let's see how to pin a comment on Instagram. First, launch the Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile in the bottom right corner of the screen and navigate to your post where you want to pin a comment. On the post, tap the speech bubble under your post to see the comments. All the comments for your post will appear. Find the one you want to feature at the top. And tap on the comment and swipe left. From the 3 options that appear, tap the thumbtack icon and you are done. The comment will appear at the top of your comment list. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.